One more example here of simultaneous equations, right? And what they have done is that they have also merged a little bit of percentage in this one to make use of percentage concepts also. So let's read the problems. What they're saying is that 10% of the red balls were added to 20% of the blue balls, and the total was 24. So what are they asking us to find out? How many red and blue balls were there? So as usual, right? Let's take it. Let the number of red balls be x and number of blue balls be y. Okay, let's write the equations now, directly get into that. So 10% of the red balls, 10% of red balls, and they're saying plus 20% of y balls. When they add those two, right, the total comes out to be 24. Okay, done with the first one. So let's resolve this. What do you get? You get 10x by 100, right? 10x by 100 plus 20y by 100 is equal to 24. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify this and put it as 10x. So what happens? We can cancel 1, I think, so 0. Right? We don't have to carry such big numbers. So what do you have over here? You have an LCM in 10, I multiply it with 24. So you have x plus 2y is equal to 240. That is your equation number 1. Got it? Now I go to the second one. What are they saying yet? Yet 3 times the number of red balls. Write this one first. 3 times the number of red balls. Okay? Red balls. Means what? It is 3x because we took x as number. They are saying, what is the condition? They are saying 3 times the number of red balls exceeds the number of blue balls by 20. Exceeds means what? This is greater. This is greater than y plus 20. Okay? No, not greater. This is equal to y plus 20. That is what they are trying to say. This number is equal to this number. It exceeds by 20. 3 times x is, if you look at it, the equation will come out to be 3x is equal to y plus 20. Okay, this is how it's going to be. So 3 times the number of red balls and y balls, it exceeds by 20. That is what it is. So you got the second equation also. Now go ahead and solve it. What do you get? Okay, so you have x plus 2y is equal to 240, and you have the second equation as 3x plus, sorry, this is not plus, this is minus y is equal to 20. So if you look at it, right, I have a plus and minus sign over here. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 and this one by 1. So what do I get? I get x plus 2y is equal to 240, and I'm multiplying the second equation by, so this becomes 6x minus 2y is equal to 40. Right? When I go ahead and add these two equations, that get cancelled out, you get 7x is equal to 280. Right? So x comes out to be, x will be equal to 40. Right? So use this value and put it in one of the equations over here, whichever equations. So you got x over here. Yeah, let's put it in this particular equation over here. What do you get? So 40 plus 2y is equal to 240. 2y is equal to 200 because 40 goes this side, it becomes. So y is equal to 100. So that's your answer. So red balls are 40 in number and blue balls are 100 in number. Look at it. That's the answer. Okay. So when you go and put these two values over here in this one, right, you should be able to see that your equations are correct. Okay. Great. So I hope this topic was good. And to clarify, so if you like my content, right, I would suggest you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to do a lot of these. I'm going to cover all the topics. And also, last but not the least, share it with your friends. Share it with friends, parents, and everybody so that they can learn sitting at home. Okay?